Let's make village-style chicken curry. First, wash the chicken and prepare fresh onion, tomato, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, chilies and spices. Heat oil and add mustard seed, cinnamon, cloves and curry leaves, onion, garlic and ginger. Then mixing tomatoes and chili paste. Add the chicken, coat it in the masala and coconut milk. Simmer gently until tender. Finish with fresh coriander and serve hot with rice. Traditional, hearty, and full of village flavor, this is chicken curry at its best.